tham gia sản xuất một chương trình truyền hình du lịch và ẩm thực mà mang đẳng cấp quốc tế như vậy thì đối với tôi đó là một niềm vinh dự. Thì điều thuận lợi nhất tôi cảm nhận được là tôi đã có cơ hội được đi đến rất là nhiều vùng miền của đất nước để góp phần đưa cái chương trình này góp phần quảng bá về du lịch và ẩm thực trong nước đến bạn bè thế giới. Và việc cái người host của chương trình này là một cái đầu bếp nước ngoài thì cái điểm nhấn của chương trình này cũng chính là về mặt ẩm thực.
Here I am in the middle of the fish farm making sour fish soup. I've never, ever cooked on a platform that's moving around, and this is my chance.
As a director, most of my time trying to direct a different type of genre program. I first involved in Taste of Vietnam was the last minute request. The first director already set the star and the kind of tone that he want for the program. But I found it that it's not difficult to adapt, but the only thing is how to make it better. And for me, Taste of Vietnam is a show that have certain quality. You can be called it an international program.
Good job.
Yeah.
I think the name is so appropriate because it's really giving me a deeper understanding, a deeper taste of Vietnam.
Yeah, one of the advantages of being a host of Taste of Vietnam is I'm in Vietnam, and Vietnamese like to drink, and I do too sometimes. So I had rice wine, corn wine, rice wine, corn wine, and then I had a little bit more corn wine. That was in one day.
You know, the director, Chu, his guidance and leadership and pushing me to be better on camera. Sometimes I want to do something different, and he wants to do that.
Okay, so so just like honey, they're naturally sweet from nature.
Yeah, these are a natural sweet. Yeah.
Like honey, oranges are another natural sweetness in nature. Let's see how these ones taste.
I haven't worked for somebody for 10 years. I've had my own business. So having someone tell me what to do, even if I don't want to do it, that makes up for some challenges.
Everybody was like, "No, Max, he can't do it. It's just not possible for him to do it." But I believed in him, and then look, he did it.
The other ingredients. Let me make a couple more. Good day! So we're up in the hillside here. I was really surprised that there was this huge school here. We're going up the hill, and I'm telling you, I'm just happy it wasn't raining because we would have slid back down the hill.
This show, it's not, I miss going to Hoi An, I miss going to Hue, I miss Saigon, because we're not going there. This has shown me places that I wouldn't even known existed.
Initially, we have 40 over team members in the team. And today, we are having, I think, about half of the team, but we never compromise the quality. And the work done still that up to the standard.
Common game everywhere in the world. You're hitting something, kicking it up in the air.
Thì là người cùng với lại ekip nước ngoài cũng đã đi tiền trạm và tham gia tìm kiếm câu chuyện cho những cái thước phim này. Thì cái điều tôi cảm thấy vui nhất đó chính là khi mà tôi dẫn họ qua những cái điểm danh thắng mà của Việt Nam mà thậm chí họ cảm thấy rất là ngỡ ngàng và bất ngờ và họ không nghĩ được là Việt Nam mình có những cái cảnh đẹp như vậy.
Standing on a bonsai tree. An enormous bonsai tea tree that is.
Mọi người ơi, im lặng nha.
Now I know where the camera was. Sorry.
When you come to Yen Bai, or wherever we are.
So, Chu. Hold on. Okay.
Trà là cho vừa hái từ vườn về hãm thì xanh này để.
This is green tea. Actually, fresh tea leaves from right outside here. Now, tea, it's not just a beverage. It's considered a medication. It's filled with antioxidants.
It's like being a photographer, I'm getting a snapshot. The one picture is an accurate representation. It's real, it's true reality, what I saw, what I tasted, what I felt, but it's only one image.
And we'll talk about that later.
Yeah, more a little bit generic, but we've seen Thai influence.
What I'm trying to get from you is that I'm going to ride, and after I say that, where do I stop?
You go inside. I asked the owner to be here.
As director, as for me, I'm not always right 100%.
Mọi người ơi, di chuyển sau đây giùm em.
But if you cannot achieve the 100%, I feel I'm frustrated. But most important, how to achieve that is you have to come from the support, right from the technical team to the production team that given you the support.
Miss Sung is the grandmother of this home. She's going to teach me how to cook her just caught fish from the river.
If you get all the support, even the host, you got all the support, then you can make your program even more than 100% that you plan.
So first fish is growing. In the back, there's the fish that I just discovered. And here, we have some pork, which they marinated.
I'm confident as a cook, cooking for almost 30 years. And I'm being taught by cooks, by chefs, by farmers, by fishermen, by all these different people how to do something. To me, it's funny because we laugh together, and the crew laughs, and so there's these funny moments of where I trip.
Cái quá trình làm cái phim này có rất nhiều những cái khó khăn vất vả, hầu như là mọi người phải làm việc liên tục, thức dậy rất sớm và kết thúc một ngày rất là tối.
So now that we've had a chance to drink together, now they're going to have a cultural show. It actually tells a story about this village specifically.
One more time. 5, 4, 3.
Taste of Vietnam show actually give me a lot of opportunity to travel from the north to the south, seeing all the different things or seeing something that I never see before.
What's frustrating is we go, I get to learn about it, I meet them, they're some of the nicest people I've ever met, and I want to stay. I want to get to know more about who they are as a person, not just in what they do. But fortunately, I know who they are. I'll go back.
Xuyên núi âm vang